Hello, I have been to a lot of family parties, mostly a lot of fun ones, and I retired quickly, but at other times I stayed until the end. But there was definitely one that I had a lot of fun, and it is the fact that I have always been a cheerful party person. I have always tried to get everything right for me, but at their parties they asked me to play welcome the band that I was going to be at that night, but they betrayed my nerves and I mispronounced the name of the musicals. Fortunately, very few people have noticed what happened and the party has continued without major problems. Thank you.